students, all of you. So, my dear students, in previous lecture we studied about the lesson number 2 in a block number 10. Okay. So today we study about the lesson number 3 in a block 10. So subject is a science, block number 10. Our block name is storage of water. Storage of water. Lesson number 3. Lesson name is storing rainwater. So how we store the rainwater? Already you know that rainwater is the most essential point because water is a life. Okay. All about the 100% water, the 97% water is in the form of salt water, or it is a salt water. This water is a bad for our health. This water we don't drink. So my dear students, remaining 3% water, and in that 3% water, the 2% water is in the form of ice. And only 1% water is the usable water. This water we can drink. This water is a fresh water. So, how we collect this 1% water? Why this water storage is most essential? Which methods we use for the storing rainwater? Okay. So, today we study about the storing rainwater. आता rainwater कसं store करायचं? Already you know that the rain falls downward direction. Okay, rain falls downward direction. These rains or drops of rain comes into the river, and already the river is a groundwater. This is a usable water. This is a fresh water. In the river, this rainwater flows and they go to the seas. And after going to the sea, this is a salty water. This is a not usable water, but river water is a usable water because this is a groundwater, and groundwater is always fresh water for the drinking. ज्यावेळी पावसाचं पाणी खाली येतं त्यावेळेला ते नदीत जातं, नदीतून वाहून ते समुद्राला मिळतं. समुद्राला मिळण्यापूर्वी ते फ्रेश वॉटर म्हणून आपण ओळखतो, ते पिण्यासाठी योग्य असतं. पण समुद्रात गेला त्याचा काय उपयोग होतो का? नाही. मग सगळंच पाणी नदीत आलं आणि ते वाहत वाहत समुद्राकडे गेलं, ते सगळंच खारट झालं, सगळं सॉल्टी झालं, तर मग आपण पाणी पिणार कुठे? 97% तिकडंच जायला लागलं. मग जे आहे ते 1% आपल्याला सेव्ह केलं पाहिजे. मग त्यासाठी काय केलं पाहिजे? तर जे रेनवॉटर पडतं ते सेव्ह केलं पाहिजे. मग ते कसं सेव्ह केलं पाहिजे? सो फॉर द स्टोरिंग रेनवॉटर people was used the rainwater harvesting. So what is meant by rainwater harvesting? So rainwater harvesting means that a method of storing the rainwater. A method of storing the rainwater. So suppose this is a storing the rainwater, or people create the system to store the rain in our house for the daily needs. Suppose this is the sky and rain falls down on the roof of house, and after that this water is stored from these two sides, and here make lines or pipelines. In that pipelines, water goes to the downward direction, and this water go to the filter. This is a filter pump. This is a filter pump. With the help of filter pump, this water filters and then they go to the tank. For the storing rainwater, we use this tank. Okay? So, in that tank, the water goes to the pipes of our house, and this water going to our basin in a washroom. Okay? And this is called the rainwater storing. Are you understand what is in the storing of rainwater? Yes. Okay. So, my dear students, let's start. I did the lesson. Groundwater is naturally stored underground पाणी जातं, जमिनीच्या खाली पाणी जातं. मग ते कसं जातं तर जे काही रॉक्स असतील, जी काही सॉइल असेल त्यावरती ते पाणी पडतं आणि त्याला असणाऱ्या छिद्रातून, त्याला असणाऱ्या होल्समधून ते पाणी जमिनीच्या खाली जातं. अँड the people use water by drilling the wells. By drilling the wells means, well means विहीर, drilling means खोदणे. विहीर लोक खोदतात आणि त्यातून ते पाणी घेतात. पावसाचं पाणी पडतं ते त्या दगडामधून, जमिनीतून चिरपून खाली जातं आणि ज्यावेळेला पीपल ते वेल ड्रिल करतात, ती विहीर खोदतात, त्यावेळी त्यातून आपण पाण्याचा साठा उपसत असतो. So some rainwater does not seep in and gets drained away. पण काही वॉटर असं आहे की ते जमिनीत मुरण्याऐवजी ते काय जातं, नाल्यामधून वाहून जातं. So to collect the more rainwater, this test rainwater harvesting. What is meant by rainwater harvesting? So the rainwater harvesting means a method of storing the rainwater. A method of storing the rainwater. Rainwater store करण्याची जे मेथड आहे that is called the rainwater harvesting. आणि हे पावसाचं पाणी वाचवण्यासाठी people rainwater harvesting ची प्रोसेस यूज करत असतात. It is done by using a tank collect the rainwater. आणि ह्यासाठी काय करतात, एक टँक वापरला जातो आणि ते रेनवॉटर स्टोअर करतात like this. Okay, this is a tank for storing the rainwater. And the rain is collected into this pipe, and with the help of this pipe, this water comes to the or goes to this tank. And this is a filter here with the help of filter pump, and this water goes in our house, like in a basin, in a washroom. With the help of these pipes. So it is done by using a tank to collect the rainwater. Typically, rainwater is collected on the rooftops and other surfaces near the buildings, and water gets carried out into tanks where it can be stored. मग घराचं छत असेल, बिल्डिंगचं छत असेल, तिथं ती टांकी ठेवली जाते, त्यातून ते पाणी काय केलं जातं तर आपल्या फिल्टर पंपाला देतं, तिथं ते फिल्टरेट होतं आणि परत आपल्या घरामध्ये ते नळापर्यंत पोहोचवलं जातं. दॅट इज कॉल्ड द रेनवॉटर हार्वेस्टिंग. Then this water from rainfall is not wasted. This water is suitable for irrigation and domestic use. Irrigation means giving water to soil during the farming. शेतीसाठी जे पाणी वापरलं जातं that is called the irrigation. And the domestic use means घरगुती उपयोगासाठी. हे जे वॉटर आहे हार्वेस्ट केलेलं ते घरगुती उपयोगासाठी, त्याचबरोबर शेतीसाठी वापरलं जातं. आर यू अंडरस्टँड स्टोरिंग रेन वॉटर? ओके. सो क्वेश्चन 1. In pairs discuss how water gets into wells, tube wells and hand pumps. म्हणजे ट्यूबवेल्स असतील, हँडपंप असतील, वेल्स असतील, तिथून वॉटर कसं येतं हे लिहायचं आहे. सो ड्रिलिंग वेल्स, discuss how water gets into wells, tube wells and hand pump. So answer is groundwater is naturally stored underground when rainwater seeps slowly inside the soils and rocks. Okay, this is the answer of question number 1. Then question number 2. Does all the rainwater seeps underground? No. सगळंच पाणी ते जमिनीच्या आतमध्ये मुरतं का? No. How can we collect more rainwater for use? So we collect the rainwater. With the help of write down this answer of question 1 and question 2. So my dear students, already I tell the answer of question 1 and 2. This was the question 3 and 4. Okay, thank you.